Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Sorento gear knob. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the parking brake engaged. Next, gather your tools. You'll typically need a flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Understanding your specific Sorento model's gear knob attachment will make the process smoother and prevent damage. Now, let's detach the shift boot. Carefully use your plastic trim removal tool to pry up the shift boot or the trim panel surrounding the gear knob. Work slowly around the edges to release the clips. If there are any electrical connectors for features like a shift lock button, gently disconnect them before proceeding further. With the boot detached, you can now access the gear knob's retaining mechanism. Look for a retaining clip or a small screw at the very base of the knob. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully release the clip or unscrew it. Remember, some Sorento gear knobs are designed to simply twist off counterclockwise once the boot is out of the way. Once the retaining mechanism is released, firmly pull the gear knob straight up. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the shaft. If your knob was a twist-off type, simply twist it off completely. To reinstall, reverse these steps, ensuring all clips and connectors are securely fastened for a proper and safe fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.